Hey, what's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO Day Trading. Thanks for tuning in with me on Sunday night. Just doing a little research for my swing picks for the week. Oh my goodness gracious, we got some good ones. Even got my new towel. I lost my OGO towel. I'm pissed. Lost it at the PGA National this weekend. It was a great experience. I got some new ones on the way. I went to this golf website and they have them on sale for like 70% off. I was like, cool. Let's get the show on the road. I've already done the research, guys. I've already done it. There's my boys. They ain't in here right now. So let me show you a couple. This is just like, I've been doing some research. Let me show you this stock. See the stock? Fortinet, FTNT. I was looking at this one earlier, but it's too expensive. I was looking at eBay. Look at eBay. Right here. See, eBay is breaking out. A lot of people doing shopping on eBay, I guess, at home, right? You know why I was looking at that stock that was $139? Because I bought it at 30. I was just looking at it back then. It's back in the day when the Paris riots were happening. Stock was 30. Now it's 130. eBay's breaking out. eBay's looking good. Hot to trot out there. Absolutely. So if you guys have any questions out there, just let me know. I'm not going to reveal any of the swing picks that I have coming out in the newsletter, but I am going to go over the results of the newsletter and do an update for my swing members and show you what we did for the week. So this is the swing trade portfolio. This is available to all members of the Mojo. Now, I want you to go down on the bottom, and do you notice these tabs? May, June, April, March, February of 2020. Watch this. You scroll to the right on the bottom. This is every month and every year. Look, 2015, 2014. Look at this, 2014, 2013. I started MOJO Day Trading in December of 2012. I sent out my newsletter with these picks. Facebook, right there. See that? What's the price? $25.75. Oh, the columns were messed up. Put $5,000 into it at $1.07. These were shares. Had 194 shares, I believe it was. These are the shares, not the dollars. So these take off. This is just a number. These were the shares. So had a cost basis $2,500 worth of it. Sold it for $2,922. Profit of $421. Made 16%. VVTV has been bought out. Anything with one of these means it's been bought out. You're going to see some names on here, folks, that are just going to blow your mind. This newsletter started in 2012. I picked 194 shares of Facebook at 25. And sold it right there for 31. This was a no column. I can actually delete this column, but it'll move this. Something was here, a formula. I changed this from my other sheet because I found the old one. So if we hide this, Yeah, it'll hide that. So we'll just leave this blank. So this right here is a cost basis. $2,000, $5,000. Put $5,000 into everything. The smaller ones, sometimes half, 2,500. So Facebook was 194 shares at 25. Yeah, Facebook right now is 225. AMD, 2,000 shares at $2.32. Closed them all on the same day for a nice profit. Averaged 19.75%. AMD today is 53. And my tech is 9. Picked it at 3. That was in the first month. The second month in January, in my tech again, and these would be the shares. I was very deep, had shares, exit, entry, date, exit, date, all that great stuff. So this right here is 1,500 shares, 1,900 shares at 255, sold at 275, made 7.8%. Very nice, right? Kerex, AEZS. See how I scaled in? Look, 269, 271, 279, 3 times because it was going up. That's my same system I have now in 2020 that I tell and how I do the trades with the Mojo, with the swing newsletter that's going out tonight. It's the same exact system as it was right there. And you can see that, all my members that are watching right now. Okay, look at Hebe. Bought it at 25. As I say in the newsletter, look, in the next increment, buy it again, and it did. See that? Let's go to February of 2013. Look, medical marijuana had that stock and stuff. Remember that one? This is the shares. So back in February of 2013, all the weed stocks were going. Look, medical marijuana, hemp, way before weed was legal. Look, Amira Foods, $6.50. That's when it first came out as an IPO. Nugget. Identiv Group is big right now. That's a good stock for right now today. This was at $1.50. Look, they're a good stock to buy right now. I saw it in my research. Look, INVE. I had it at $1.50. It's not 835. That's Tesla. INVE. See it? Identiv. It's $4.18. See that? So February, I'm talking about November, when the riots in Paris were happening. I sent out a series of stocks in the newsletter that all rocketed for many days. And I think several of them are coming back into play this week. If you were a member back then, you knew what they were, and you're probably expecting them. If you didn't, you should be involved in this newsletter that's going out tonight. I have several picks that are all going to be this week's huge winners. Not like this newsletter. Let me show you this one newsletter. This is like from Investors Underground, I get everyone's newsletter, but you could see right here, look. He comes down, he talks about all the stocks last week, like GMBL, huge call by Michelle in the room, trade on the fly. And the stock's like $9 to $10 a share. Well, is Michelle in my room? How did she know about Gimbal? I was talking about Gimbal all on Thursday and Friday. Why? Because I have Gimbal at $3 a share that I sent out 3 weeks ago, that if you watch my MOJO Day Trading show, the one from Friday and the one from Thursday, I go over this swing newsletter sheet, and GMBL is in there for several days. So obviously, all of the competition that does anything would be following the Mojo. But these picks are all old and done with. They'll be talking about my picks next week when we already are up up 200, 300% in the stocks that I'm going to be coming out with and sending out tonight. So if we cruise over a couple of months, let's go over until like February of 2014. You recognize any of these names like Neuro? Position half closed, surge on a pre-market high to $3. Sold it right there, beautiful. Madison Technology, DGAS, WaveX, Ivanhoe Energy, U on Demand, the position, how they're closing, closed half, closed 3/4, closed them all. We move into 2015, August, September, October, November right here on the bottom when those big things were happening with the riots. I'm not going to show you those. That'll reveal all these great winners for this week. I have them right there, all documented. I showed you one of them, FTFT. Let me show you FTFT, the exact FTFT when it was my pick. Let me show you. Fortnite, FTFT. FTNT. Right here. So this was my pick on FTNT. I picked it right here on the bottom. You can see the date, 11/13 of 2015. They develop unified threat management systems to provide security and networking functions through integrated circuits. And the stock right here in the circle was where we bought it at $33.17. See it? And now it's $140 a share. And I have 10 others that are so super that's gonna blow your mind. Okay, one of them I just saw on that sheet right there that I just looked at. So you just saw one of them. Look, guys, A-Bio, guys, look, $1.79. You see it? You want to see what A-Bio just did on Thursday? If you would have been trading with me, you would have been in A-Bio. It's $12.60. Look what it's done in the last 5 days. Right here, look. So right here, if you go back, let's say to the chart on the, let's say the 5-day chart right here, you could see right here, the stock is $7 a share. And that's where I called it, at $7.50 right here. So you bought $7.50 with me, guys, on Thursday. It was my first pick of the day in the MOJO Day Trade Room. As you can see, I've been trading it for years. Very familiar with the stock and what it can do. We made the first big move up on it right here on the first trade. This was the first trade right here, number one. I'll put a circle around it. This top mark right there is $12.12. So let's just say $12. Okay, right there, 12 bucks. It went from $7.50. You put $750 into it, it turned into $1,200. You put 1,000 shares, which is what most traders did. You made right there almost $5,000. Then it cooled down a little bit and we traded it again. And then after that, it popped up again from the scale in here to the pop up here on another 1,000 shares that you had. And this mark right here on the breakout through this is $12 to the high right here of 21. So this is the breakout through 12. Let's say you even got 13. And this is 21. That's $8,000 gain. So between the two trades, you made $13,000 on the trade. And what did you put into it? 26,000 total chips on the table. Total chips taken off the table, 13 grand. Then the next day, the same thing happened the next day to this stock. And I said, dude, it could be the exact same scenario. Let's see if it does it. If it does it, we'll make the same exact money. And if you were in the MOJO Day Trading room, where that's my other service, we day trade during the day. That was the trade I just did. Here's 5-day chart on SNOA, up $4. You see it right there. You would have nailed this one too. So let's go back right here, 5 days. The stock started out right here in the morning, right here on the open, at $7.50 a share, right here. And it shot up right there without stopping to $17.90. Let's just say an even 18. It went from 7 to 18. So if you had 1,000 shares, you made $11,000. And you only put in $7,000. And it happened in 1 hour. Where else could you go in the world where you can put in $7,000, be in the chat room with me, I give you the pick, and it goes up in an hour, and you make from $7,000, and it goes bam to $18,000, and you make $11,000. That happened on Friday. And if you look at my, follow me on social media, which you totally should follow me on social media. You'd be alerted to a lot of the things that I send out. So right here we got my the Palm Beach National, baby. Check it out. I played the Champions course. I look like a champion golfer right there. Look at that setup. There's my golf towel. Hey, if anyone sees that golf towel right there at the PGA National, homies, that OGO. See, there's this OGO right down there on it, right there next to that title. That's mine, baby. Mojo styling with the Scotty Cameron nice shirt. Got the Scotty Cameron hat. Got the ball clip. Got the cool wraparounds, got the Callaway freaking belt. I'm all ready. Got my Titleist bag, got my drivers, got my wedges. Then there's me at the bear trap, baby, hugging that bear. Dude, the bear trap ain't hard. Bear trap goes like this. You got hole 15, 16 and 17. That's the bear. And then you got 18, which is a par 5, which ain't hard, dude. Par 5 ain't hard, dude. I missed a birdie by 1 inch. It was to win the whole open, dude. I had it too. I hit an 8 iron, pin high. I hit 3-wood. Beautiful. Hit a beautiful little 5 iron down the right gully, right in the middle. Over water was the next shot. It was all over water. So this is the water, to a beautiful little island green, pin right here. And on the left side, drew it right in. I was on the left side of the pin, like 9-10 feet, putting for birdie for the win, man. I parred that number 18. That's not the bear trap, though. This is. So the back tees is 165 with a pros play. I played with my bro and his son, and so we played the blues. It was 135. 30 yards difference. The wind was, it was right here. This was the shot. Here's the green with a huge undulation right here that was just crazy, and the pin was right there. This is all water. So you had to hit it over the water. All rocks, so intimidating. Can't be long. Can't be left, can't be right, but a big green with a huge, and I nailed a pitching wedge. Beautiful. Boom, 48 degree, right there. Around 12 foot uphill, huge break. Missed the putt by an inch. I only, in my first, all the holes, I never had a putt outside of a foot for my second shot. Ever. The whole round. Putting was phenomenal. 16 was a par 4. That wasn't hard at all. I hit 3-wood and another shot, and Part it. No problem. Like this wasn't that hard. 17 was another par 3 that was more intimidating. That's where that bear was. And the wind was in my face a little bit, and I hit a 9. I should have hit the wedge again. It went 155. Here's the green. Check out this shot. This was an amazing shot. Here's the green. The pin was right here. There's a bunker right here. And bunker here. All water. All water. My brother gets up and hits it in the water right there. And we're playing this wolf game, so I'm like, there's no way I'm hitting it in the water. I said I'm going to aim it here. I aimed it at the right side of the green, and the wind was blowing terribly like that. And I hit a draw, and it was going right on. If it wasn't a wind, it would have been right at it. Boom, landed it in that back bunker, chipped it up, rolled over here, made a nice little 2-putt, walked away. Oh, nice little, nope, right, yeah, that was a 2-putt. So I went, let's see, gotta look at my notes. They didn't allow you to have scorecards. Look how I keep my score here. Look at all that scribble. See that? Look at all that. That was my range work. Right there. See that? Those are my distances. Right there. Those are my distances. And they're spot on, dude. And this was my round. I had to record it. Right here. Every shot I hit. See, I shot a 38 on the front. I hit driver. Wedge, on and 2-putt. I hit driver. Oh, dude, the second shot right there. I hit the drive to the right, and I was in the pine straw. See the star next to the 6? I'm in the pine straw. And I have to hit it through this V in the tree onto the green with a draw, and I did it, and it was one of my best shots. I parred that hole. It was nice, dude. Nice. So PGA National was 1 over in the bear trap. 1 over in the bear trap. Yeah. See? Right here, this was the, right on number 17 right there. Hit the 9-iron, 155 long in the bunker. You see that? On and 2-putt. So, yeah, I'll always remember. I write it down. I always remember that round. So, yeah, that's amazing. And then this was my day on Friday with ABIO and SNOA. You can watch my YouTube show. I traded live when the stocks were doing that. So you could see it completely live. Then I'm talking about Phil with the hellacious seeds that I hit, leading my way to intimidation and victory, which I did. Thank you, Phil Mickelson. Thank you very much. This is my standings right here for the Palm Beach National Golf League. In first place, M. Rich right there, baby. Better ask somebody. And then right here in the standings in the whole league, right here, who's number 1 in the whole league right there? M. Rich, baby. Right there, 83 points. That's what I got going on. Dude, you see that Bitcoin? Bitcoin's rocking, dude. Here's my bro. That's me and my bro on the golf course right there. Dude, had a great time. Thanks to Phil. Was hitting some hellacious seeds. Had a great time. There's Bobo in the grass. Bobo. He's in the grass. Rolling around like a farm dog. Yeah, so there's my show right there, Money Making Profits. Watch that show right there. I go live in the room right here. Look at this doobie stuff. He don't make no money. Guys, these guys don't make money. They can't. You can't trade and do all that stuff that they do at the same time. Dude, I can't even trade. I told this guy today, Jason, I said, dude, you can't trade more than one stock at a time. That's it. I've been trading for 30 years. I can't trade more than one stock at a time. That's it. You know what's going to happen when you trade more than one stock at a time? Let me tell you what's going to happen when you trade more than one stock at a time. Okay, you Robert Brewer and you guys out there. Okay, when you trade more than one stock at a time, both of them are going to be working at the same time. So you're going to be screwing up all your orders. Oh, I got orders in for this one, and that one's working. I should have sold this one, and this one, oh my God, and you're all messed up. The odds on one working and the other one not working, and timing it where it's sequentially, oh, this one's going to work, then this one's going to work, and if this one, you're all off base. Then if you do the stopping stations and the other ones and not the focus of the business, which is the Heinz, everyone's now talking about a business. Ross is like, my show today, hey, Ross, how to run a business, right? Give me a break. How much more are you going to freaking copy me, man? Give me a break. All you people must be freaking out that thousands of people paid thousands of dollars for all your old shit. And you don't even talk about it anymore. All you talk about is my stuff. And, dude, I'd be pissed, dude. My course is free, guys. I give away my course for free. I can't even give it away. It's like you have to go out and pay $2,000 for a course in order for you to think it's legitimate. Give me a break, man. This is real deal. I've shown you these results since 2012. I've been live. I have 2,000 of these Mojo shows, man. Telling you. Absolutely. So what's going to happen is all these ones are going to go down. You're going to look to be in them, and then you're going to miss all the ones that go up, and all the good ones, and all the Heinzes, and all the even number rolls. So, dudes, focus on one thing. You don't need a chart. Listen to my voice. I'll tell you what pick we're doing. Execute the shares with the order entry system. Sell it when it goes through. I told you exactly how to buy. I told you exactly how to sell, and do it. I had to spank a couple people on the phone tonight because they just weren't listening, man. So right here is my Mojo show, dudes. Right there, you see me live in the MOJO Day Trading chat room right here. Now I'm doing my Mojo show. I'm showing you we're in the stock. Look what it's doing. Look at the move it made right there. It's 1150. We started it down here at 7. Look at that move. I told you here's the first move. Then it cooled down. That was your first 7K. And then here's your next move. And now you made 8K. You know, boom, and now it's doing nothing. I'm showing you what we did right there, dudes. Live in the Mojo show. And that's what happened when I sent out my YouTube stuff and my tweets. So it all started, dude, back in 2012. And right now, today, you scroll forward to 2020. And we're right here, dude, with the model swing portfolio picks by Pro Trader Mike. Dude, do you believe the NASDAQ was up 120 points? Why? On Friday. What are the futures doing right now? Futures right now are down 72 points. You know what that means? You know how to read futures out there, guys? And the S&P's down 11. What does that mean? What does that mean? You guys know what that means? Well, I check a couple of emails. Ooh, welcome. I got a new member, Kathy. Welcome to the team. Oh, Dennis Walders subscribed to my YouTube. Hi, Dennis. What's up, brother? Jeremy Keefe. What's up, Keefe? Subscribe to my YouTube. What's up, brother? Nice. You got it, Mr. Boss Man. You're all set. I'll send you an email, get you all registered for the action. I got a couple texts. Hold on a second. Yep. So that's that right there. Let's see what I got. So what does it mean by futures done? You have any idea? I'm not going to tell you if you don't even give a crap about it. I know what it means, but if you don't, forget that action. You know how I'm like silent, how I don't like silence. La Cantera. I played La Cantera Palmer course 225. I played that. I shot, what'd I shoot at La Cantera? I shot like even par at La Cantera, dude. There was this one hole, Robert, where drive, bunkers to the right, green to the left. I almost hit a hole-in-one on that shot. It was like a longer shot, crazy. La Cantera, iron black gate, where you leave the greens and drive along the cement. There's a street there with black iron gates that surround the street as you drive around the hole. I remember the course. I remember some of the shots. La Cantera, downhill, huge valley, buildings off on the left. Easy, huge hole. I remember a lot of good shots from La Cantera. My friend lived there. He lived in San Antonio, Texas. And we played. It was right next to his house. Oh, the futures, they do nothing. The futures will do nothing, Robert. You have no idea which way the market's going to go, up or down tomorrow. You think it's going to go down, but it's not. Nowadays, unless the futures, the S&P is down more than 50, there's no direction in which way it's going. You can be up 200 tomorrow or 100 and be like, damn, it was down 11. I thought it was going to be red. Unless it's down 50. If it's up 50, you'll be like, there's a good chance it's going to be up tomorrow. If it's up 20, it could be down 200. There's no rhyme or reason unless it's a real conviction over 50 on the E-mini S&P 500. Yep. Yeah, couple blind ones. Yeah, man, I remember playing that course. Me and Hank played good. I always play good when I go to good courses like that, like PGA National. So I got to finish the newsletter up tonight. Let's see what we got here. We got a lot of options expiring, guys, for the Swing Trade newsletter. We have Kronos. It's at $6.50 with the $6 covered call for 30 cents. We may be able to keep Kron. There's one stock on here that I am expecting to rip next week. Two of them. They're not swing picks that are going out tonight, but they're swing picks that we already have that are going to go up tremendous. And they're on that list right there. It's unbelievable. I'm seeing them right now, the two of them. You don't know which ones they are, do you? If you, dude, all you got to do is BOGO, man. Buy one, get one free. You get all these picks. You'll know all which ones go. You'll come up to the table, and I won't take you at the table. Be like, ooh. Nice. So these babies are beautiful. Canopy Growth at 13 is 17. It came down $3. We have the $17 strike for $1. We may be able to keep Canopy Growth. Federal Signal Corporation is 28.50. It's 29.14. We have the $25 covered call. $2.50 gives us a $27.50 sale. It's $29.14. I'm expecting this stock to go to $35 next week. 35. Mark my words. If that's your kind of stock, mark my words. Buy an option on it. Why is it going to do that? Why? Because let me show you. FSS, Federal Signal. Do you have any idea what they do? You won't believe it. Tell me this is not good for your city right now in a riot. Federal Signal, together with its subsidiaries, designs, manufactures, and supplies a suite of products and integrated solutions for municipal, government, industrial, and commercial customers in the U.S., Canada, and international. It operates two segments, an environmental solutions group and a safety and security systems group. The environmental group segments a street sweeper, street cleaners, sewer cleaners, vacuum-loaded self-digging trucks and hydro-evacuation trucks, water blasting equipment, dump truck bodies and trailers. They're going to clean up your cities after the riot. Makes sense, doesn't it? We already own it. Mark my words, how it goes up. The other side of the business, the security business, provides systems and products for communities, alerting, emergency vehicles, first responder communications, and industrial communications. Its products include light bars, sirens, industrial signaling equipment, public warning systems, general alarm systems, public address systems, and public safety software. This segment sells its products under the Federal Signal, VAMA, and Victor brand names. The company sells through its wholesaler and distributor. It was founded in 1901. So there's a gift on a $29 stock that you may have $1 lead on. That's a good one. Then you have ServiceMaster. What do? They clean. That's Molly Maids. If you want to hire a maid or a cleaning service, that's called ServiceMaster. We own it at 28. It's $32.90. We have the $25 covered call for $3. Going to get called away. Total 27% gain for the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter members. American Airlines, we have at $14.50. We're down 27%. We have the $10 strike for 75 cents. We're going to collect 75 cents. But we've already collected $11.42. It's going to give us a total of $12 in premium on a $14 stock. Our cost basis on American Airlines is $2 a share. We've sold $12 in premium in 2 months on American Airlines. Then you have Tilray at $5.50 is up 79% to $9.85. This one we're going to get called away. We have the $6 covered call for $1.50. Gives us a $7.50 sale price. We miss $8.50 and $9.50. We're missing 2 points. But we have 117% gain. And we've already collected $8.35 in premium on Tilray. We own Tilray at $5.50 minus $8 is a negative $3 cost basis. And we've owned it since March 9th. General Electric at $6.95 is lower now, down 5%. We have a $6 covered call for 30 cents. Alcoa at 775 is 9. We're going to lose it on 6.6. 55-cent covered call. ADT 540. I like this one. It has to do with security for your home. Makes sense. It's 708, up 31%. We have a 750 covered call for a dime, and it's at $7, so we're looking good to have that one keep the stock and expire worthless. And this is the creme de la creme. Aurora Cannabis, we have at 725. We've already collected $250 in premium, brings the cost down under $5. It's $15. We sold a $15 covered call for $275. We'll bring the total to over $5 in premiums, and it's a $7 stock. We'll own it at a cost basis of $2. This is currently what's in the long positions right now until tonight's picks go out in this column in 6-1. You have My Little Pony. That's what I call it. PTYNF, Parcel Pay Technologies. It's this little no-brainer penny stock that I saw at 6 cents. They are a self-home delivery service, a concierge service that can deliver you food, groceries, anything to your home in the U.S., Canada, and abroad. It's a little company, and they're expanding. And I'm up 66.67% on that pick. Then you have Genesis on 4.2 newsletter. GNSS at 340, guys, is 458. Looks really good this week to head through $5. So right there, I'm giving you a pick at 458. Next time you see it, it's going to be over $5. Then I give you another pick because it's already right here and I own it, and picked it on 4.2, is American Outdoor Brands. Why did I pick that? Because they sell firearms and guns, and everyone needs to protect themselves. American Outdoor Brands at $7.95 has not gone down one day since I picked it in April. It's $11.82. It looks like it's going to touch the 11 and shoot up to $19 a share. Then 4 days later, when Bitcoin first started its move, got that at $7.95 too. My little twin pair. It's $10.89. I expect Bitcoin, since it made a move over the weekend from 8,800 to 9,800, a 1,000-point move over the weekend, that GBTC is going to be heading up higher this week. The next one, which hasn't gone down one day since the pick on April 20th, is Gimbal. I call it Gimbal, GMBL. Esports Entertainment Group, right here. Last time I saw it was $5.40. You know what it is now? $9. It's up 168%. I'm raising the trail stop to $8. It closed right here. GMBL, Esports Entertainment, up $3.43 on 10 million shares. They formed a New Jersey subsidiary to pursue licensing strategy and receives $1.8 million from the exercise of their warrants. They began an onboarding affiliate partner with a newly launched VIG esports betting platform with the esports. Last night I was watching drone racing and NBA 2K basketball, and esports is going to be a big thing in the future, guys, and betting on it, and a company in the lead right here will soon be maybe an $80 stock one day. And Mojo got it at 3, showed it to you last week every day at 4 and 5, and now it's 8. And then I got Vuzi, which I'm going to give a little bit of room, not down that much. 7% could turn into a 50% gain in that kind of stock in one day. Down on that one. And I bought some UGAZ on the dip and stayed with it. And we're up a little bit, 1.8%. Hopefully natural gas will be heading back up. The closed trades for June, we haven't started that. And we ended May with some amazing, amazing closes. We closed out Crone and FSSS, anything in yellow is a covered call option. We closed out the premiums. Look at all these premiums. We closed out. Zynga and the covered call. Glue Mobile and the covered call. The covered call on FSS. Clorox, 165, got called away at 195. That was a pick because right for the Corona on 3.9. Same thing with Glue Mobile. Everyone's going to be playing mobile games. Stock got out of control after I bought it. Same thing with Clorox. Same thing with Zynga. Same thing with cars.com. Knew everyone was going to have to shift and buy cars online. Stock doubled, up 80%. We sold it. Here's some more. Right here, look. 4.2, 4.2, 3.9, 4.6. These are all Corona picks. Look. 34%, 60%, 44%, 30%, 100% on Moderna. Look at this. USO, oil. Picked the oil dip. At 4.90, sold it at 21, up 329%. Here's some more covered calls. $1, 45 cents, $1, $1, 40, all between 6 and 7% returns on the covered calls. Here's Mara, when Bitcoin made its last run, 40%. Here's Ramble, reverse split at $2. It ran to 10, up 427% this month on that one. Up 274% on Nano Dimension. NNDM, that was my pick there. They were my 3D printing company for the Nano. And the Corona went from $1 to $5 a share. ACB doubled. TTPH up 100%. 190% on TTPH this month. 47% on Gen, 55% on Seal, lost 18 and 16 on those two. 55% on Cardiff, 75% on Scone, 100% on Teva, 53% on Mist, 45% on AOBC. AOBC we still have. Job, 40. And that's how we ended the month. Took a loss on CGC with the covered call down here. Bought it back, but still going to be able to keep the CGC. 81 trades, 74 wins is 91% win rate. The average gain out of all those 81 trades is 43% with a 29-day hold. And this has been going on for 8 years. And you can look down on the bottom and scroll all the way back. Scroll all the way back and you'll see them. Right down here. February of 2017. 59 trades, 50 wins, 85% correct, 19%, average hold 18 days. March. 74 trades, 73 win, 99%, average trade 12%, average hold 4 days. April, 50 trades, 47 wins, 94%, average trade 37%, 10 days. May, 73 out of 63. June, 30 out of 28, 93%. July, 15 out of 11. October, 44 out of 42. 78 out of 77, 95%. Average gain 355%. Look at these gains. DPW 300%. Bitcoin services 400%. Bitcoin services. Bitcoin so went from 8 cents to 40 cents when Bitcoin first made its move, November of 2017. Here's NXTD. We were in this one night here, position half closed. Yelp at 46. CDTI, Clean Diesel. Digital Turbine, Zynga at $3. Gene at 90 cents. October of 2018, 14 out of 14. November, 17 out of 15. December, 6 out of 6. Some months are bigger picks, some months are smaller. February, 4 out of 4. March, 3 picks. That was probably my lowest month out of 8 years. April, 8 out of 8. May, 4 out of 3. July, didn't do a lot of picks in some of these months, man, compared to now. August of 6 out of 6. September, 20 out of 14. October, 15 out of 13. November, 23 out of 19. 48 out of 41. And then into this year, January, 69 out of 62. February, 55 out of 45. March, with a 56% average gain. March, 118 out of 103. March was huge. When the market was going down and all the Corona picks were flying, Mojo was banking the biggest month probably in 8 years of history, looking through what I'm looking through now with the compendium that I'm going through tonight. The compendium is a compilation of everything, which is what I'm doing. April of 2020, 97 out of 87. And this last month in May, 81 out of 74 for 91%, 43% gain. So when you see that, you know I'm not full of crap because I've been doing it and showing you that for 8 years right now. And this is where I've been doing it with the Market Smith database. There's 8,000 stocks in this database, and every weekend on Sunday I go through them and I put them in this newsletter right here. And these are my picks. Right here. My top 4 picks for 5/31. Here's my newsletter. Okay, enough. You're obviously a day trader. Can't hit the freaking target for nothing. Obviously a day trader. Nice. Yep. So tomorrow in the morning, I'll have a beautiful array of picks ready to go for the bell. Be sure you're ready. Because if you are, you're going to be banking. And if you're not, you're going to be spanking yourself. Can you believe these riots, huh? I can't believe I got to experience trading riots in Paris. The Paris riots. Stock futures fall among nationwide. What are they freaking kidding me? Why do they have to baby ass everybody? See every one of these pictures, guys? All the ones with the blue. See all that? The people in the blue uniforms and stuff. They have jobs. They have jobs. They make money and responsible families. 99.5, even 99. There's always 1% bad seeds, dude. In everything. But that's a good percentage. That's good. That police that are looking to do the right thing. Okay? So these, what they call protests, are called riots. You got to be freaking out of your mind. Have no job. Either be on drugs or were on drugs or can't get drugs. One of the three. You're not shopping for golf clubs at Dick's like I am. Looking at grooves and face technology and stuff. You're disgruntled because one cop with his stupid buddies around, who didn't do anything either, used unruly, unexplained force on this guy and put his knee on his neck. I don't know how they train you for that when you're in handcuffs on the ground. And the guy's like, dude, I can't breathe. Dude, I can't breathe. Dude, watch me freaking turn over and get your knee off my neck. And then I'll be like, dude, put your knee on my chest. I ain't going anywhere. I can't breathe with you on my neck. The guy lied there like, okay, kill me. Oh, kill me. Look, I got my friends videoing it. And I'm going to die as he's videoing it because I'm not going to fight back. I'm just going to say I can't breathe. Oh, yeah, okay, whatever. Amat wasn't there, but he died. And the whole world's freaking out. I mean, it's happened before. You've seen it in the news so many times. It's been like Rodney. There's been so many cases. And it's been unbelievable. It's like a caged animal. You leave an animal in a cage for 2 months. Feeding him and showing him the media. You open the door and he's going to freaking go ballistic. It's what these people are doing. They've been quarantined for 2 months. There's something to... Let's go out. Forget about... We can be together in a crowd. Look at the crowds of people. It's Corona hotspots. They don't... Let's go protest. Let's go riot. Hey, and if they break in a store and they break down the window and I happen to be there... and I could take some clothes or steal from a store with murder, they're not going to come and arrest me. I'll take it. That's a good protest, man. I love these protests. They're like, let's go do it again tomorrow. So they're walking down I-95, deciding what exit to go off of to go see what stores they want to go vandal. It's the most unbelievable thing I've ever seen, ever. The world never stops surprised. There's no more talk about coronavirus. That's it. It's the most craziest thing ever. Nothing surprises me nowadays. And everyone has a justifiable answer why it's okay. Yeah, I'm from the 1950s, man. I'm old school. Things were much better then, dude. My parents were raising me. Than me when I'm raising my kids, oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's actually something called like right and wrong. Put yourself in the other guy's shoe. What happened to that stuff? Right and wrong. It's wrong, but that's all thrown out under the bus because that happened. And I have the right to say, screw that. Okay. There's your free pass. Meanwhile, the stock market's ballistic. People are saying, oh, dude, these stocks are flying because all these new investors are in the market. Coming in. They have nothing to do. No, it's not. You're at it. Dude, let me show you something. This is us. Look. This is us. This is the market right here. Here's the stock market. Okay? This is us. Right here. Intensity right here. This is 100%. This right here. This right here. If you're lucky, 5%. This is us, retail. And this is the rest of the stock market. Banks, institutions, hedge funds, mutual funds, professional traders, high-frequency trading firms, clearing firms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, this combination right here, knock your socks off. If you were under any inclination that you have any effect doing anything, you're out of your mind. Every time you think it's going lower, it's going to go higher. Every time you think it's going to go higher, it's going to go lower. Every time you chase up and buy, I'm going to sell. Every time you fear and you sell, I'm going to buy. That's how it works. Why virus stocks are driving the market volatility? They're really not. But they're not. So that's a bad statement. Why Moderna stock dropped? Because it went up 100% in a month, and it's normal correction profit taking. Why did the market dump 30% in a day? Because the corona came and it needed a rest and a relaxation. It went to 19,000. It's back at 25,000. It's almost back at a new high. It's really done nothing. It's amazing with the riots, this and that, and the reflection of what companies' earnings are going to be. It's like nothing happened and nothing got hurt. Dude, no restaurant. Duffy's is not open anymore, dude. They went bankrupt. All these stores and no one's in them anymore. You can't even go to the store. Like, put something to your head, they frisk you, and they don't even, it's like, oh my goodness gracious. It's like, this is just the most incrediblest thing. Can't believe it. I'm very grateful, blessed, pleased. Thank gosh I don't do what I normally do. Yeah, audio and videos never synced. Never synced. Oh, I try to get it to sync, man. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it doesn't. You just got to close your eyes and picture my face and just listen to my voice. I'm not really showing you much tonight. Just talking about some amazing picks. No, the picks haven't gone out yet because I'm doing the Mojo show. You know why I don't want to send them out? Because all my competitors are waiting for my freaking newsletter to get sent to them. And I don't want to send it out so fast because then they'll have my picks. And then they'll send it to their guys and say, oh, here's my picks. Look what I got for this week. And, I'll keep you waiting a little bit. Keep you waiting a little bit. Oh, it's all good. Picks are dynamite. Picks are dynamite. Yeah, so I got to finish working on the newsletter and filling it in. And then I'll send it out to all you guys. You all had a chance to sign up. Listen, that offer with the free trading course is going to be gone. This new course that I have been working on. The last course that's in that course was from 2018, and I've learned a lot, tweaked, made better a lot. Hold on one second. Nice. So guys, I'll see you in the morning. Mojo Day Trading pre-market scan. I'm excited to see what's going to be hot, popping and dropping and pumping and dumping. I'll surely let you know that. I'll be on by 9 a.m. Get you in the Mojo room. Get you day trading with me. Take it from there. At the end of my show, I'll have some of my other ones. What was that? Send me an email. All my contact information is below. Go ahead, no problem. Yeah, info at Mojo Day Trading. So yeah, at the end of the show, guys, please feel free to watch those two other Mojo shows. They're going to pop up in my right above you, and subscribe to my show. So when I go live in the morning, YouTube will send you an email letting you know that I'm live. And if you become a member, then you're going to know because I send out the newsletter and you're involved with that as well. So get my day trading course while it's available. Peace. Keep it profitable. And I'll see you tomorrow morning, man, because that's the best. Good night, everybody. Later.